How does 401 degrees Kelvin vesting work for employee benefits? Imagine working hard 4 years and wondering when those employer contributions to your retirement plan truly become yours. That's where vesting comes into play. In a 401 degrees Kelvin plan, you always own your own contributions and any earnings on them. But employer contributions, like matching funds, are different. They are subject to vesting schedules that decide when you can claim full ownership. Vesting is a way to gradually give you ownership of the employer's contributions over time. Usually, this depends on how long you stay with the company. If you leave early, you might lose some or all of the unvested employer contributions. This system encourages employees to stay longer and helps companies retain staff. There are 3 main types of vesting schedules. The first is immediate vesting. This means you own 100% of the employer contributions right away. No waiting, no strings attached. The second type is cliff vesting. Here, you don't own any employer contributions until you reach a certain number of years working at the company, often 3 years. Once you hit that mark, you become fully vested all at once. The third type is graded vesting. This is a gradual process where your ownership increases over time. For example, you might vest 20% after 2 years, 40% after 3, and so on until you are fully vested after 6 years. The Internal Revenue Service sets the minimum standards for vesting schedules in 401 degrees Kelvin plans. Typically, plans follow either a 3-year cliff vesting or a graded schedule that lasts from 2 to 6 years. Employers must clearly explain these schedules in the plan documents and the summary plan description given to employees. It's important to understand your vesting status, especially if you plan to change jobs. If you leave before full vesting, any unvested employer contributions are usually forfeited and go back to the employer or the plan. Remember, your own contributions and the earnings on those contributions are always fully yours. It's only the employer contributions that are subject to vesting rules. Knowing how vesting works helps you see the real value of your retirement benefits and plan your career moves accordingly. Employers use vesting to keep employees motivated to stay longer while making sure they follow legal rules about employee benefits.